In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Calendar to Notion. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect, including the upgrade prompt that appears before you can connect your calendar. Start by opening the Notion website in your browser and head into your workspace. It helps to make sure you're working in the correct workspace, especially if you belong to more than one. Also, if you're not an admin, you may want to double-check that you have permission to manage connections, because some settings are controlled at the workspace level. Once Notion is open, look for Settings. Depending on your layout, you'll find it under the menu at the top left or within the workspace options. Open Settings and take a moment to notice the different sections. This is where Notion centralizes controls for members, plans, and tools. Inside Settings, go to the Connections section. This is where Notion lets you manage and discover apps that can talk to your workspace. Connections help Notion work alongside your other tools so you don't have to switch context as often. If you've never used it before, you'll likely see recommendations and a way to explore available connectors. Next, click Explore in Notion. AI Connectors. This area highlights integrations that specifically enhance Notion's AI features by pulling in context from external sources. In other words, Notion AI can reference data from tools like your calendar to give you smarter answers and summaries. Now scroll down until you see Google Calendar. You might see a short description explaining what the connector does, such as surfacing your events or helping AI understand your schedule. Once you've found it, click the plus icon. That's the button to add the connection to your workspace. At this point, Notion will prompt you to upgrade. This is expected. The Google Calendar connector lives under Notion AI connectors, and using it requires the Notion AI add-on or a plan that includes AI features. If you're evaluating whether to upgrade, consider who on your team needs access and how often you'll rely on AI to reference your calendar. If the upgrade screen appears and you're not the billing owner, you may need someone with billing permissions to complete that part.